Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This trader right here, and in this video, I want to show you how to enter a trade the right time. Sniper entry. The Some of you asked me to create a video on entry and when to enter, and also make when you enter on time, you'll be able to make a lot of profit. And I want to show you how I entered this trade, and how more spikes will be coming, because more spikes will be coming. Now let's see what actually happened. First of all, I have to go to a higher time frame to see what is happening. I want to see what is happening. Okay, looking at 1 minute time frame, you saw our entry, and more spikes are coming. Okay, more spikes are coming, so we entered on time, so I will have no fear at all, even when there is a currently on a pullback. But we are not afraid at all, because more spikes will come. As we continue this video, we are going to see those spikes coming. All right, so now what do we need? We only add just two indicators here, okay, just for confirmation. But this is the analysis, guys. First of all, I have to go to a higher time frame. Like, you see the spike, so more are coming, guys. Now we go to higher time frame, like 1 hour. Okay, now we are going to do something. Now I'm going to close this trade in few minutes time, and I will tell you why I will close. Okay, now what you need to do is you go to a higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame, because you'll be using 1 minute for our entry. So the highest time frame we should be going to is 1 hour. Okay, so if we are entering with 1 minute time frame, because we just want to catch spikes. Now if you look at 1 hour time frame, you can picture a pattern. So when you go to a higher time frame, you see a pattern or the formation, you see what is happening, then you'll be able to decide what to do. You can see in 1 hour time frame, we have our support level at this point. You can see the support level there. Okay, you can see our support level, a lot of rejection there. Now the next thing you need to discover is that our chart formed a double bottom. Okay, from here down to this support level, pull back again, tested this support level again, and all the way up again. Okay, now that is exactly what I saw. I discovered a pattern which is double bottom, and I saw a lot of quick rejection right there. Then I have to, after this, I know that I'm already looking for buying opportunity, right? So I have to go down to something like 15 minutes time frame to confirm this. And I went down, I saw the same support level. Then coming up here, I discovered that the price have they kind of start forming another support right there. um as the price keep moving up, it forms another support right here. Okay, which is the next spike point or next entry point. So if we miss, as we miss this first entry, which is here, okay, the second entry is here. The second entry, first entry. So entry number one, entry number two. So once I discovered that again. And how do I confirm that? I saw quick rejections, I saw this weak shadow, happening right there. So that is a confirmation that our spikes are going to be coming again. This is the second support right there, uh, as the price keep going up. Okay, so once I discover this is my second uh, um, signal. Okay, now once I discover that the price is right back at the support level, okay, the price back at support level again, what I did is I have to go down to a lower time frame, like my entry time frame, which is 1 minute time frame. Then picture my indicator at over sold region. Okay, currently the indicator is still at oversold region, so we're expecting more spikes. But do you know the reason why I should close my first trade now? I want to show you why. Now if you go to 1 hour time frame, you discover that we have a strong resistance up there. We have a strong resistance right here. Okay, so that's the reason why the spike find it difficult to break and keep pushing. So we're expecting that our price, sorry, 1 hour. Okay, so we're expecting that our price is going to push up, continue pushing up. But first of all, you need to wait until the price breaks this resistance above. Let me change the color of our resistance to maybe green. So we need to see the price break that resistance up there for us to enter. So once we have entered the trade and we pick our spikes and the price is at resistance level, we can close and wait for breakout. Once it breaks that resistance, we enter again. Okay, or you can still hold your trade. You see we had another spike. So once this spike breaks our resistance level, which is this green line, okay, once it breaks it, that is a confirmation of a buying market. We keep holding our trade. Once it breaks that resistance level. Okay, now remember what I did. First of all, I opened my chart, went to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let me do away with this and this so that it will be neat. Now I went to 1 hour time frame, then I discovered a pattern. Okay, after discovering a pattern which is double bottom, I saw quick rejections there. Then I have to the second thing is that I discovered another support up here because I missed this. I didn't get this. Okay, assuming I opened my chart when the price was here, I could have taken the trade on time, but I missed this. Then I have to wait for the price to form another support for me to enter on time and catch spikes. Okay, you see the entry now. You can see how the entry look like. So is a kind of good entry right there. Okay, it didn't take up to 3 candlestick or 2 candlestick before the spike start coming. You can see the entry. It'll not even take up to 1 candlestick safe before the spike start coming. So you need to see the price start forming another support for you to enter. Once you enter, you pick the spike, and at the resistance level above, you have to close. Okay, at this point you have to close so that the price will break above this resistance point. Okay, once the price breaks it, then you enter another buy. Or the second option is that you have to hold your trade. If you have a good equity, you hold your trade and catch all the spike and wait for the breakout. But because sometimes the problem is that sometimes it might get to this resistance, decide to turn back again, even down to this level before the next movement, or it might also break this and start going down. So that's why you must be careful where you take profit. Once you see a resistance point, it's advisable you take profit and wait for a breakout before you enter again, because you are only interested in catching spikes. So guys, this is how to trade this very simple strategy. Now okay, for this is for here is the third zoom level. I think we have I zoomed out completely. Then we have first zoom level, then second zoom level, third zoom level. Okay, now the indicator here is very simple. We have our RSI here. We set our level 90 and 80, 20 and 10. Then the golden line here is our moving average 25. Okay, let me still show you the setup. We have our relative strength index here, period 14. Apply to close. You can see that. Change this color to white, your background color. If you are using a dark background, change it to black. Then set your levels. After that, you click on done. The second one is moving average 25, shift 0. Method simple. Apply to close. Then style 4 pieces. Then that's that. Then you click on done. Remember, you have seen that we are to take profits. Okay, we are to take profit because of the resistance level. Okay, sorry, because of the resistance level on 1 hour time frame. You can see that resistance there is powerful. Okay, that is that for this video, guys. If you like what you saw, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Smash that like button for me, and also if you have a question at all, drop it on the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.